The year was 1898, and deep within the wilderness of Kenya, two lions unleashed a reign of terror, unlike anything seen before. These weren't ordinary lions, they were the infamous TSavo man-eaters. For months, they terrorized railway workers, attacking and devouring dozens of men. But why? What drove these lions to such chilling behavior? Recent DNA analysis has finally provided us with new clues to understand this century-old mystery. Welcome to Amazing World Facts, where today we unravel the dark secrets of TSavo's infamous man-eating lions. In the late 19th century, British forces embarked on constructing a railway bridge over the TSavo River in Kenya, a key project linking Uganda with the Indian Ocean. But for 9 grueling months, a pair of manless male lions turned the construction site into their hunting grounds. They stalked the workers at night, entering tents, dragging men out into the wilderness, and feasting upon them. The terror only ended when Lieutenant Colonel John Henry Patterson shot and killed the two lions in December 1898. The bodies of the two lions were eventually preserved and displayed at the Field Museum of Natural History in Chicago, where they remain to this day. Over time, these lions became legends predators that seemed to prefer human flesh. But the exact reasons for their behavior have always been debated, until now. Fast forward to 2024, and a groundbreaking study has given us unprecedented insights into the TSavo lion's diet and behavior. Researchers have been able to extract DNA from hairs found embedded in the cavities of the lion's teeth. These hairs were stuck in the damaged and decaying teeth of the lions, allowing scientists to analyze what prey they had consumed during their lives. The DNA revealed the lion's surprising list of prey, including giraffe, oryx, zebra, waterbuck, and wildebeest. Even more remarkably, human DNA was found among the prey, shedding light on their infamous human-eating behavior. One theory put forward by scientists is that the lions turned to humans out of sheer desperation. Both lions had severe dental injuries, which likely made it difficult for them to hunt large, fast-moving animals like zebras or buffalo. Instead, they sought out easier prey humans. Workers at the railway camps were largely defenseless, living in temporary shelters, and often in weakened states from disease. The lions took full advantage of this vulnerability. This isn't the first time dental issues have been linked to predatory animals turning to unusual food sources. Painful infections, abscesses, and broken teeth can make hunting typical prey too difficult, forcing predators to seek easier alternatives. But dental issues weren't the only factor at play. At the time of the attacks, the TSavo region was grappling with a devastating outbreak of rinderpest, a viral disease that wiped out nearly 90% of cattle and buffalo populations. The lions' usual prey had dwindled, leaving them with few options for food. As a result, the lions may have ventured further than usual in search of sustenance. Interestingly, DNA analysis revealed traces of wildebeest, an animal not commonly found in the TSavo region during that time. To feed on wildebeest, the lions would have needed to travel nearly 90 kilometers, or roughly 56 miles, suggesting a much larger hunting range than previously thought. Historical accounts from Lieutenant Colonel Patterson suggested that the lions may have killed as many as 135 people during their reign of terror. However, more recent studies, including a stable isotope analysis from 2017, show that the actual number of humans consumed was likely closer to 35. While this is still a staggering number, it suggests that humans made up around 30% of one lion's diet and around 13% of the others. This discovery helps demystify the lion's hunting behavior. Though they did consume humans, they likely didn't rely solely on them for food. The rest of their diet consisted of the large herbivores that were also present in the region. The TSavo lions are perhaps the most famous man-eaters in history, but they aren't alone. Africa has a long history of predator-human conflict, from leopards and crocodiles to other prides of lions. Lions, in particular, have been known to target humans when other food sources become scarce or when their territory is encroached upon. One infamous example is the Njombe lions in Tanzania, which reportedly killed over 1,500 people in the early 20th century. Like the TSavo lions, these predators turned to humans during times of environmental stress and food shortages. The discovery of human and prey DNA in the teeth of the TSavo lions has provided fascinating new clues, but it has also raised more questions. Why, for example, did these lions abandon their typical territorial behavior? And what led them to attack a human encampment? Could there have been other environmental or biological triggers that we've yet to uncover? Scientists hope that further analysis of the DNA samples will offer more insight into the timeline of the lion's dietary changes and provide a more complete picture of what drove these notorious attacks. The tale of the TSavo man eating lions remains one of the most chilling accounts of human-predator conflict in history. Thanks to modern science, we are closer than ever to understanding why these lions hunted humans, how environmental factors played a role, and the true extent of their reign of terror. What do you think drove the TSavo lions to become man-eaters? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating facts from our world's wild past. This is Amazing World Facts, and we'll see you in the next video.